I decided to get me some Dunkin' Donuts, which I never eat breakfast for real when I'm at work because I'm always working. So today I decided to get this morning on Uber Eats. It's got bacon in here, hash brown, and queso. Let's give it a try. That's good. And in here, we got some peppered bacon. See if I can get a good piece out there. That. Nice crispy edges on it. You can't go wrong with this sandwich. Flip it over so I can see this thing. Like the cinnamon raisin bread. Look at that glaze on the top of there. Open up so you can see it. Look at that stain coming out of there. Got the bacon on there. I ain't ordered no drink, but open my little refrigerator. Can't go wrong with a crush. So that's how my morning started. I got me some breakfast. I'm finna eat that. Then I'm gonna get back to what I'm doing. So y'all have a good morning.